So we just literally finished up our adjuster's appointment at 5101 South Natchez. Now, these areas were circled due to where there was wind damage, which was acknowledged by the adjuster. This tarp was here and removed due to the fact that there was a leak that came in somewhere over here. And it actually filled the light bulb up with water, which we have documentation on that. Now, this claim was written up for 6 wind on the right slope. And then we had 10, which I think was the opposite, because it should have been 10 on this side, I believe. Regardless, these are the areas. Okay? Now, these are the areas that were affected by the wind damage. And let me, so we can demonstrate. Okay. All of these areas suffered wind damage, okay, which was acknowledged. We have them all here. Now, what we failed to acknowledge was the actual reasoning for the wind damage. Obviously, we had some wind come in, lifted the shingles, but unfortunately, during that lifting of the shingles from the wind, it basically lifted the mat transfer. So now we have mat transfer. We also have a shingle, a nail that was torn through here. Okay, we have tons of mat transfer here from the upper shingle, which now basically states there, and as you can see here, there's all the mat transfer. So basically just tore from the shingle here, and as you can see all the way down, the mat transfer all the way down, which basically tore into the shingle here and caused damage. Okay, can we do the next one, please? Okay, so these were part of the area affected by the wind damage, which was acknowledged by the adjuster. Again, we have tons of mat transfer up there. Okay, as you can see here, all the chunks of the mat transfer from the shingle up here, which impacted the shingle, which you can see gouges in here. Okay. Again, here you have another lifted shingle up there, which tore through the shingle. Okay. Again, nothing but mat transfer.
Yeah, nails in our hip.
Right here. Oh, right there. Okay. Again, mat transfer all the way down. Again, you can see the chunks that were taken out of the shingle up here. As you can see, it's tore. Okay, can we go next one? Hold on, I'm on that one. Okay, here we go. It's at 3 minutes right now. I'm gonna stop it and put another so it's not too long.